how to upload Reels on Instagram. So let's get started. Firstly, launch the Instagram app on your device. Then go to the Reels section and tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. And from there, make sure to select Reel from the options presented. If you want to record a video, then press and hold the capture button to record a video directly in the app. But if you want to upload, then tap the gallery icon in the bottom left corner to select a pre-recorded video from your device. After you select the video, you can also tap on the music icon available in the right next to it and browse through the music you want to add and simply tap on it again and continue with the process. Now after you do so, you can use the editing tools to trim text, stickers or effects to your reel. You can see the edit option available there. Now you can adjust the length of your clips, add audio and apply filters as well according to your preferences. After you have done everything, simply tap the right arrow to see a preview of your reel. Make any final adjustments as needed. After all this, you can simply write a caption for your reel. Also make sure to add hashtags to increase visibility and choose a cover image for your reel. Choose whether to share your reel with your followers or to make it public. And once you are satisfied with all this, tap share to post your reel. Additional tips: encourage viewers to like, comment and share your reels to boost engagement. You also need to stay updated on trending sounds and challenges to increase your chances of going viral. After posting, you can view insights on how your reel is performing by checking the views and engagement metrics. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.